Sana makahanap ka ng lalaki na gusto kang yakapin kahit wala ka ng wig. Hahalikan ka kahit wala ka ng wig. Tapos nag-I love you pa rin kahit wala ka ng wig. One day, someday, you will get that. Because you deserve that.
Thank you po.
Uy, group hug tayo, guys, for everybody.
You're beautiful, it's true.
We love
I
you.
saw your face in a crowded place, and I don't know what to do. You're beautiful, you're beautiful, you're beautiful, it's true.
Marami kang wig.
Para isa lang po.